Google Classroom. Once you want to add students to your Google Classroom, there are several options. Please go to your respective class. Once you are in your respective class, if students are on Chromebooks or laptops or iPads, whatever they may be on, you have several options. One, you can go to the People's tab right here, and then you can, on Students, you can hit Invite Students, and then it's going to do a pop-up, and then you can type in that specific student's email. So right now I made one that's called Donald Duck. I'm going to send that invite, and we're going to go Invite, and it's going to say that that specific student has been invited. Or you can, in your Google Classroom settings, you have this button that says Class Code. Hit on this button, and then have all the students go to classroom.google.com, and they'll have to input this specific class code, and then they will be able to join the class. So I actually have a student account open. This is what the students version is going to look like. This is Donald Duck when they log into Google Classroom. So it's going to be classroom.google.com. And then they're going to hit join class. They're going to put in the class code. And if they press enter, nothing is going to happen. In the top right hand section, there's a button that says join. So if they press enter, nothing's going to happen. And it's going to be like, well, it's not working for me. Yep. They just got to go to the top right and hit the button that says join. Once they hit join, they're going to join your Google Classroom. It will give them a update of the class, of what it looks like, or some information, but this is what the class version of Google Classroom for students looks like. Okay? So the student was able to join your Google Classroom.